So you think you and your spouse have figured out your Social Security plan. This is a common one. He's going to work till 70 to max out his benefit because he wants to help me because I was a stay-at-home mom. I was either not in the workforce or in and out. I didn't make much money. So he wants to max his out to help me. Is that a good strategy? Okay, so in this example, let's say I'm the younger spouse. So if he waits till 70, I could draw at 62. Legally, I could draw at 62, but I don't have any to draw off of. I was a stay-at-home mom. Since I can't draw my own Social Security at 62, I can't do anything until he draws his, and he wants to wait till 70. So that's 8 years that I can't draw, and I'm getting nothing. So if his amount is $2,000 and my spousal amount would have been, let's say, half of that, I could be getting between $650 and $1,000, depending on what year I decided to draw. And instead, I'm getting nothing. So he's trying to bump up his benefit, which is magnanimous of him, to try to get me a higher amount. It's also going to get him a higher amount. But all of this depends on when he dies and when I die. So if I die first, a lot of times the men are calling me and they're like, hey, how come I don't get a widower benefit? I thought, where's the sexism here? I thought this was gender neutral. You always say it's gender neutral. Well, it is. If your wife's amount was higher than your own amount. And in this scenario, it's not. So you're not going to give up your own Social Security to draw a widower benefit if it's lower. You're not typically going to do that. Okay? So most men of this generation don't get a widower benefit. They get the $255 lump sum one-time death benefit when their wife dies. You got to call them to apply for it. And don't say anything about being so low, I know. But you're not going to get any other benefit. You're drawing your own benefit because you were by far the higher earner. Now, let's say you died before your spouse. And I think that's what most couples have expected, that the husband will die first. She will draw a widower benefit. Now, she will never get two benefits. She won't draw her own benefit, even though it's smaller, and a widower benefit. You only get one benefit, so she will draw as a widow. She can draw as early as age 60. I have more and longer, more detailed videos about widow benefits, when to apply, how to apply, where to apply. Check them out here on my channel. But we're just going to say in this video, she wants to draw widow benefits at age 60, at her earliest age. The fact that you worked till 70 and you maxed out your Social Security helps your wife. It does help your wife because she's going to be able to draw up to, depending on what age she draws, 100% of what you were drawing, what you were eligible for. And since you waited, you really beefed up what she could get as a widow. But let's say you waited till 70 and your wife died before you. She never got any widow benefits and she never got any spousal benefits because you blocked her, because you didn't draw until 70. So she gave up all those years where she could have gotten a percentage of your benefit as a spouse. So we don't have a crystal ball how long we're going to live, if you will outlive her, if she will outlive you. I'm not trying to sway your decision. I want you to have all the information and then take a deep look. How healthy am I? How long do the men in my family live? How healthy is she? How long do people in her family live? It's not all textbook. A lot of it is just luck. I'm here to help you. If you have questions, ask us in the comments below. There's a lot of more free information on our website, themedicarefamily.com.
If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.